Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain the best settings for Ark Survival Evolved. First, let's cover the basics for solid performance. Always select full screen mode. This can boost your frame rate by up to 20% by dedicating your graphics card fully to the game. Ensure your resolution matches your monitor's native setting to avoid blurry visuals and potential lag. The goal is to find a sweet spot between stunning graphics and a consistently smooth frame rate, making your Ark adventures more enjoyable. Next, let's enhance your visual quality and immersion. For textures, if your graphics card has 4 GB of video memory or more, you can comfortably set this to epic. A medium view distance offers a great balance, allowing you to see enough without heavily impacting performance. For anti-aliasing, use high or epic if you play at 1080 pixels, but at higher resolutions like 1440 pixels or 4K. A lower setting is often sufficient due to increased pixel density. For cellular Apple Watch models, a specific workaround allows limited independent use. You must first set up your Apple Watch with an iPhone, ensuring your SIM card is in the iPhone during this process. Once activated, power off both devices, transfer your SIM card to your Android phone, and then power on both your Android and the Apple Watch. Your Apple Watch can then receive calls and send iMessages using its cellular connection, but full integration and many core features, like Apple Pay or Siri, will not function. Finally, let's refine your user interface and overall quality of life. Adjusting the UI general scale and item slot scale allows you to customize the interface for optimal readability, especially on different screen sizes. Disabling menu transitions and tooltip delay makes navigating menus feel much snappier and more responsive. For better visibility in dark caves or during nighttime, consider setting your gamma to 3 or 4, which can drastically improve your ability to see your surroundings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.